You know what I mean? Is when I run the application, the PC can recognize it. I mean, your application can recognize it and displays the menu. But when I want to copy from the internal memory to the computer, it doesn't the file explorer will not display the device. So when the file explorer is trying to display the device, somehow it lost the name of the device. Normally it will display some name like HMT1, for example. Do you understand, Yusuf? MT1, HMT1. My name is Dr. A. Rush, like A. Rush to the airport. I can give you a case number and then you can get all my information. So instead of having to fish through all your databases, I'll go to the file and give you a case number and you type it and you get all my information. Is that is that okay, Yusuf? Okay, I have to go to a file where I store it and try to retrieve it, okay? So bear with me for a second as I run my file explorer trying to retrieve it, okay? Did you understand me, Yusuf? Thank you. I may have to go to another computer because I'm looking for the real where folder where I store the messages and the case numbers. In this computer, I normally don't use it, so I don't really where here. Maybe I can find something here. So I was telling you that Real Aware Explorer, last time I had the same case that Real Aware Explorer could recognize it and display the program, but the file folder did not display it. Yes, I think that what happened on the setting somehow, it lost the name that you give it so File Explorer can recognize it. Does it make? Yeah, yeah, I know. I'm looking for it. Okay, the email address is Dr. A Rush at gmail.com, like A Rush to the bathroom. ARush. Yes, like Dr. DR, and A Rush, like A Rush to the airport at gmail.com. Thank you. Yeah, I have to just go to another computer. Please bear with me for a second as I'm going to another computer, okay? I also want to connect it to the power supply, so I don't have to rely on the battery in case the battery is dead, the battery goes out. Yeah, I'm still working on it. Please bear with me as I'm trying to find the cable. I want to connect it to the power supply so I don't have to worry about the battery, the connection, and so on. So I'm using the. Yeah, yeah, that's what I'm doing. Just a minute. Right now, I'm trying to turn it on, and it doesn't even turn on. So I get the red. Sometimes it has another problem that it has. I keep depressing the on and off power, and it turns on red, but the device would not boot. But yeah, I'm not using the battery. I'm connecting it directly to the power supply because I don't want to deal with the battery. You understand? So it may be that the battery is not, the internal battery is not charged enough. So can I use an external power bank? Okay, so let me put an external power bank and see if that will help me wake up the device, okay? So I'm connecting it to an external battery pack that is fully charged. Yes, and there's a battery inside the HMT, and I got some spare batteries outside the HMT. Maybe that will work with an external battery. And I'm trying to boot it. So right now it doesn't boot either with an external battery or when it is connected to the power supply. Yes, until it gets what? Green, until it gets charged. But I connected it to external battery that is fully charged. Let me get another external battery. Yes, yes, please tell me. Yes, I see. Yes, I see. So the internal battery has to have a certain amount of charge to it before it can function. Okay, so just wait for me online for a couple of seconds. Maybe it will kick in, and then I will tell you that the light changed from red to something else. Right now it is blinking red. Can you follow me, Yusuf? What is my point? What is my point, Yusuf? And how would I know that it whether it starts off or not? I have another spare battery. That's a good idea. Let me swap the batteries. Thank you. I have to take that other battery from another device that was working, so it will take me a few seconds as I'm trying to switch the other battery, take it out of the one device and put it in another device. So please bear with me a few seconds as I'm doing that right now. So I will tell you as I'm doing it so you can be kind of informed about what I'm doing, okay? I open another device, which I have, which was working, and I'm taking the battery out of it, and it was charging for quite some time, so I know that it is fully charged. And then I'm going to the device that I couldn't get to work, and I'm trying to open it. These batteries are very expensive. They charge about $80 a battery or something like that, where similar external power bank cost only $10 or $20. Yes, yes. So if I want to use an external battery, external power bank, in addition to the one that is internal, what should I do? Do you have any way? Okay, I got the green light now. Thank you. That was a fantastic idea. Thank you so much. Okay, so now it is booting, and I'm going to run the Explorer, okay? Let me see if I can, if it boots and it can stay, and then I can run this Explorer and see if I can get it to work. I'm trying to find the icon of this Internet Explorer of your product, you know? Sometimes I have so many icons on this desktop that it's hard to tell where is it exactly. So I'm looking for the icon on my desktop here, where I have so many icons that it's hard to find which one is your product. Just bear with me a minute as I'm reading those hundreds of icons, trying to find the right one. Okay, I found it and I'm clicking on it now. Okay, I got it now to work. I'm waiting for the menu to appear. And it gives me the hourglass. The problem with the logo, it keeps flashing the logo, the purple logo, but it doesn't complete the booting process. You know what I mean? Yes. What happens now is the device is booting up. It shows the logo, and then the logo disappears, and it should then display the menu, but it keeps going up and down like this. And it gives me the menu, and I'm trying to press where it says 10.00.19 for the IP number, but the operating system wouldn't stay on.
Okay, can you find connected to
Yeah, the USB cable is connected, and the machine makes the noise that it recognizes that there's a USB cable connected to it. And when I run the RealWare Explorer 4.2.3, oh, it says 16% on the battery. Now it flashes 16% on the internal battery. I connected it also to the power supply.
okay?
So maybe it will take some time to boot up. Now it says 16%.
Yeah, so press and hold the power button in order to power it off. Like it is not turned on, it's still on the charging mode.
Yes. Okay, I press it and hold it, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40.
What I'm saying is when you press and hold, is the device suddenly on?
It displays the logo and it is the device.
Yeah, release the hardware and you'll see the logo.
Yes, I released it and now it doesn't turn off anymore. It looks like it is trying to boot up.
Perfect. Let's just wait until it comes to the screen.
Okay. So one problem that we can understand already is that this battery cannot hold charge well.
That could be one thing.
That could be one thing, and then there may be other issues because before it booted, and but the computer couldn't recognize it. Now the purple logo stays on, and it looks like it is trying to boot. It displayed 16% charge on the battery, but normally after you boot, it goes to the menu. But this time, the menu doesn't appear. Just the logo, the purple logo, stays there, but it doesn't disappear. So that is one good thing. But it didn't finish the booting process.
Okay, so let's just wait and see if it comes to the option menu.
What is the minimum battery charge for it to work properly? Do you know?
You get decent bit of 5% battery will power off.
So,
Not the biggest issue, but
no, so there is another issue that it doesn't finish the powering process.
so that's the version of iOS that uses about 5% of its power charge. That it is not showing on any of the
Right,
Apple iPhones.
because before it booted successfully, and now it doesn't because sometimes it expires since then, and maybe there is an issue that I swap batteries, but I know that the other battery works because I used it on another machine. So I took it and I put it in here, but it turns out that it has only 16% charge, which means that it is not so great either. But maybe with 16% it should boot, especially when I connected it to the wall power supply.
Uh, so is it still on the W logo?
Yes.
And it's not moving from there.
No. And I
Okay.
can try to connect it to another socket, another USB power socket. Maybe it provides more charge or something like that. Let me try to do that, and maybe then it will boot. the logo, the purple logo remains on, doesn't disappear, but it doesn't complete the booting process right now.
Okay. So you remove the battery and then restart again power on.
Yes. Okay, so now I'm taking it down. I try to open the battery compartment. I want to extract the battery. I take the cover off, pull out the battery, and let it sit for a few seconds before I reinsert it. Okay, are you with me?
Yes, sir.
So how long should I keep it outside before I reinsert it? All right, so I put the battery now back in, and then I put the cover back in. Try to lock the power so it is fully socketed. I know that that was okay because it shows 16%.
Okay.
And now I connect the USB cable to the computer again
Okay.
and try to reboot it again. So again, it displays the logo, the purple logo, and outside it has a green light, which means that it blinks green and
Mm-hmm.
and then blinks red. It alternates between blinking green and red.
Perfect.
And now it says, yeah, go ahead, please. Now it displays the battery and said 6% instead of 16. So apparently 6%, 0.6%. So it seems like something is, and then it tries to reboot again. Okay, so now I press it and I'm holding it depressed. And now it alternates between showing the battery image and then the logo comes up, the purple logo. Should I release the button or keep it depressed? Okay, so I release the button and I see the logo and now it is booting. So you got it to boot all right. Okay, and now it makes the sound wireless streaming to RealWare Explorer. Yes, Yes, I'm trying to go to the setting on my Explorer window, and I click it, and it goes to the settings menu.
Okay, now when you start getting more visualized,
I'm scrolling down to the oops. Now it disappears. It says please connect headset to PC using USB.
I guess it's disconnected.
Yeah,
Now it says,
let me reconnect it again and see if that will help. Okay?
uh-huh.
And now it is rebooting.
So the device is rebooting?
Yes. And now it asks me a question if I want to resync it. So I said yes, and it tries to resync the RealWare Power Explorer 4.2.3. And I have the purple logo again, and it reboots again. And now it makes the sound, and it looks like it is going to display the message. And it asks me to open or close, and now it is logged in, and it displays the Android is starting, and I have my camera. Let me command it to do something. My camera, and it is working so far. Initializing where HF, and it keeps rebooting as if it is trying to connect to the software, and it stops in the middle.
So when was the last time you used the device last time?
A few days ago.
Okay, and was it working fine?
No, it was work. I mean, RealWare Explorer was working, and the device was recording. But I
Uh-huh.
recorded some clips, but it couldn't display it on the File Explorer. I wanted to copy and paste or view the clips. I couldn't do that because it won't display it on the File Explorer.
Okay. So are you wearing the headset right now or is it like outside?
No, and now it rebooted, so I'm waiting for the Android operating system to come up.
Yeah, what I want to know is, are you wearing the device or is it like on the table?
No, I'm wearing it on my head because otherwise I won't be
Yeah,
able
can you?
to see. I cannot
Yeah, so
see the menu.
that's fine. So what I'm saying is, since you're wearing the device connected to the Explorer, I would suggest that
And now
you
it
go
asks
to
me you can
software
speed up
and then
streaming by
Avi, you want to
installing the
say?
RealWare Cast application HMT1. Would you like this? So I say yes. And it is installing RealWare Cast. Let me see if I can get it to work first. And that is what happened last time. It wouldn't work.
yeah, so what I would suggest is, can you please remove the device from your head and
Yeah.
keep it on a table so that it does not, that's fine if it is there connected to the PC, okay? It will not save the settings on your phone.
Did you understand
Yeah.
what he said?
He said, take it off your head
Right, so I can see more.
so it will be solid, the connection. Every time you move
Oh,
your head,
okay, yes.
it will be.
Okay, I took it off my head and I put it on the table.
Okay.
Hold on.
And it is now, it
No,
says Android is starting. And now the logo appears on the RealWare
mm-hmm.
Copen with
Explorer.
license from Copen.
Mm-hmm.
And now it says, my camera, my camera.
No,
No.
let's not use the command.
Okay,
You
what
have
did,
now, you can see the Reader Explorer.
Yeah.
yeah, and now it turned on, I can see the menu. You want to go to settings again?
Yes, sir.
So I clicked on setting, but it doesn't display the settings.
No, it says here. Please connect headset to PC using USB.
It says please connect setting to USB, and now it makes this noise as if it is rebooting, because I don't see the menu. Not yet.
The center is black, and the edges have, in this case, it's the RealWare Explorer, but inside the black box is black. There's nothing displays there.
Yeah, I'm just running it again. Let me see if I can get it to run. Start now. Be quiet. Okay, it started now for a second and went off.
No, please.
Now it says again, please connect. It has trouble connecting, and then it reboots every time. Fine.
So you
Fine.
need to do factory reset.
So tell me how to do that. That's fine. I don't care because I cannot get to the data anyway. Okay, it comes back again now. It tries to reboot again. No, I don't wear it. It's on the table.
Click on
I'm
settings.
trying.
Click on settings.
Yeah, right now it gives me the hourglass.
And it says, please connect headset to PC using USB cable.
And it is connected. Right. Yes. Yes. Stay here and help me.
Yeah.
Yes. Did you send me an email?
No, he says, can I send you a
Yes.
Teams invite?
Please send me a team invite. Yes. Right.
That or you want my S?
Yes, that's fine.
That's okay.
This one doesn't matter. Okay.
What did you say?
He sent an invite. Please check
Okay.
to find the invite. I'm checking to find your invite. Please. Okay, Said Yusuf. And I'm going to, I run it and it says device reboot issue.
Join the meeting now.
Join the meeting now, okay?
Is that what you want?
Yes,
Okay, I click join the meeting, open Microsoft Team, or join the team app.
No, continue with the browser.
Continue with the browser.
How are you doing outside? Do you have the app you can run it or?
Okay, team is coming up.
You want the microphone? You want to allow?
Use the microphone
Yeah.
and use the camera. Allow it this time. Now team is coming, continuing with.
No. Always. Are you sure you don't want audio or video? If you change your mind, select. You said no.
So what do you want now? Continue without audio or video?
No, always allow.
Always allow.
No, you have to go to the icon to do it. Continue without, then you'll.
Continue without, then we can add video and audio.
So type in your name.
Okay, join now. Connecting. Said Yusuf, your video is not working.
Yes, sir. Right now it's being connected. Do you want to continue with full mode or you want to disconnect and then
This way you're gonna have double voice.
Doesn't matter, whatever works. And let's get it on before we get disconnected and see if we can solve the problem. I'm afraid that we'll get disconnected. I can reduce the volume so it doesn't conflict. Do you mind?
No, that's fine. I have disconnected there.
He's disconnected. So
Fine, that doesn't matter. So, what's wrong now? Can you see anything?
No, you want to hear him because he disconnected the
Fine,
phone.
calm down. Okay, so what can we do now?
Yeah, is there an option where you can select share screen to me?
Yes.
So share
I'm
screen.
looking at the camera and I select share, okay? And screen, window, or tab. So I select
Select screen.
and it says now also tab audio.
Mm-hmm.
Select the tab to share.
No, he wants the screen, not a tab.
Share. Can you see anything now?
Yes, sir. I see your Gmail right now. You can probably minimize this.
Minimize that.
Minimize this.
Yeah.
Okay.
Can you see the rest of the screen?
Yes, ma'am. I can see the reference. Gmail. I see the email box. I think. Did you select only a specific window to be shared?
Yeah, it looks
or
like
the
he did.
complete screen?
He did. No, he didn't do the complete screen. So how does he go back to that?
Yeah, just click on the share, stop the screen share, and then again start it again.
Okay. Go to
Okay.
Teams.
Where is Teams?
I'm going to do stop sharing and I'm going to share again.
Yes, please.
See, screen, window, or tab.
Screen.
I know. You see here? Entire
Yes,
screen.
go ahead and do it, please.
Entire screen. Okay. Also share audio, which is clicked, I think.
Yes.
And then okay, why doesn't it let me share? It's grayed out. Oh, I have to clap. No, it isn't. I got it.
Good.
Okay. Do you see it now, Yosef? Say it.
Yes, ma'am. I see it. Yeah.
Okay. All right. You want me to minimize this?
Yes, please.
Minimize this. Okay. Now you see the RealWare Explorer.
Yes, I see this. Now, let me just check. Is there an option where I can? Yeah. So can you click on ADB
Where do you want me to click on?
on the
Where?
ADB, the one which on the Explorer which you see
Oh,
ADB.
ADB. Yes. Okay. All these. Okay.
All right. DOS is coming up.
Okay.
Can you see that?
Yeah.
Oh,
The Windows
yes, sir.
system. Okay.
Can you type ADB space devices?
ADB.
space devices.
Yes.
Okay.
And
Right.
enter.
Press enter.
And it
Perfect.
says,
Now, great. I see the device is showing up. Now type in ADB space reboot.
Enable.
reboot. REBOOT.
Is that
Reboot.
right?
Perfect. Space. Yeah. Space. Recovery.
Who?
Recovery. RECOVERY.
Perfect. You got it, sir.
Now I get the realware again. Android is starting, it says.
Okay. It seems that there is some issue with the device, Dr. Rush.
Okay. Now it's Android, and now I get the purple again.
Now do one thing. Just keep the device aside and connect it to the RealWare Explorer, and let's see what comes up every time it connects.
Okay. You want me to take it off my head or no?
Just
Yes.
leave it
Take it off your head. Keep it aside. One. Let's see if it connects to the system.
Okay. Do we connect? Is it connected? Oh, is it connected to
No.
the system? Is it connected to the system?
Oh. Let me take the cable.
Here. Hold on, bear with us.
Uh-huh.
Okay, where do you want to connect it to? You said put it down. Okay. Hold on. Connect it to the system so we can see it in. Okay. Start now.
Start now. Can you see it now?
Yeah.
My camera.
Just let's give it a second.
Okay.
Just
Let him tell you this.
click on start now.
Start now.
Click on.
And it reboots.
Well, it seems like there is some issue with the device, sir.
What is the issue?
Because well, I'm really not sure because that has to be checked from our team
My camera.
at the service. But I want to know whether if the device is under warranty or if it is out of warranty.
Yeah,
and
it's probably out of.
depending on those.
What if it is out of warranty? What can we do?
We've had it for a while.
My camera.
We've dealt with you before.
Okay, so you're being too quick about it. Just let it rest for a minute. Let's see how long does it take to restart. So before we give any commands to it.
Fine.
Let
Okay.
it rest on your desk. Yeah,
Take
let
it
it
off
rest
your
on
head.
your desk. I
Fine.
just want.
Okay.
Yeah, click on My Programs. About device. Okay, so give me a second. Okay, click on Settings.
Clicked on settings.
Network and Internet. Yeah, so I'm just taking you through the settings slowly just to know, whether if the device is rebooting again or is it because of making it too rushing into the command before it was initializing. So click on Network and Internet.
Connect device.
No, network.
Network.
So select, click on the second option, USB. Make sure it is selected on file transfer. The fourth option.
File transfer.